Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into cheeky crypto trading platform on your smartphone. It's a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected with internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, tap on this search bar and type in cheeky crypto login and search for it. On the search results, you'll find the official website of cheeky crypto. Here in the first link, it says login cheeky crypto membership. So tap on it. It will directly take you to the login page of the cheeky crypto trading platform. In order to log into your account, you must have already created your account before, and you can use the same credential that you used to sign up for your account before. Enter your username or your email address over here, and right below that, you'll see the password field. Tap on it and enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this forgot password link. So after you enter your registered email address and your password associated with it, you can just tap on this login button and you will be logged into your account of Cheeky Crypto platform. So that's it. That's how you can log into Cheeky Crypto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.